Good morning class. Now again the same chapter called geometry. I'm Ram Tiwari of your math teacher class 10. This is period number 3. So in the last two videos we had discussed about how we can locate a point in a xy plane and how we can find a distance between 2 points and if any point lie on the origin, then how we can find distance of the point lie between origin and the particular point, and if a point lie on the x-axis, then how we can represent the point, and if a point lie on the y-axis, then how we can represent the point. So in the last video we had discussed the basics of the distance formula. Okay, again I'll write this. So we can simply call distance formula as what? This is called distance formula. We can simply call it is a still in 2 points called x2 minus x1 of whole square plus y2 minus y1 of whole square. Let's name them as AB. It's a very basic formula. Okay. So now in this video I am going to discuss NCERT exercise 7.1. NCERT. So in this question number first, it has 3 parts. Now I am going to discuss the third part, that is a little bit different. Okay, called minus a minus b. So as we know, we can name them as x1 y1 and this is name them as x2 y2. Okay, this point we can call a is what representing a comma b, and what the b representing minus a comma minus b. So by applying distance formula is what? As we know very well, that is x2 minus x1 of whole square plus y2 minus y1 of whole square. So what does AB become now? AB becomes x2 is what? Look at here. It is minus a minus x1 is a of whole square plus what the y2 is minus b and y1 is b of whole square. So now this in this, what the AB become now? Minus minus become plus, but sign of negative, and b become minus 2b of sign negative. So now what the AB become? Minus of a square plus 2 square of 4 and a square of a square plus minus square plus 2 square of 4 and b square of b square. Now look at here the answer. What the AB become? AB I have taken 4 as a common here. So what we will get? We will get as a square plus b square. And as we know very well, if there is a 4 in under root, so what we will get? What we will get is square root of the 4 is? It is 2. That is of root over a square b square. And distance is always in the units. So we can call this units. This is the distance of the 2 point, that is of a comma b and minus a comma minus b. Okay, look at this question once again. This question very carefully. Okay, so now you can go through this process. So just note down one question as a homework. What as a homework? You can find the distance of minus 5 comma 7 and comma of minus comma 1 comma 3. This is NCERT question number 1 of the second part. You can done it in a homework copy. Write up this now. Okay, this one is okay. Now same. This one is, there is one more question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is what? We simple call this is 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are collinear. So first of all, what is the meaning of collinear? As you know very well, what is the meaning of linear? Linear means straight line. Straight line. Linear means straight line. Yeah, straight. And what the co means? Common. Co means common. It means when the points lie in a common line. It means there is one line like this. It has the points A, B and C. And they lie what? In a same line. Sorry, on a same line. The points lie on a same line. So now, by applying distance formula, distance formula for AB and BC also. So what the distance formula for AB is and for BC is, both of this is x2 minus x1 of whole square plus y2 minus y1 of whole square. So what the AB become? This is x2 base is for AB is 2 minus x1 is 1 of whole square, y2 is 3, y1 is 5 of whole square. Same in case of BC. I am not going to write the formula because as formula is written here. So for the BC, this is called x2 minus 2 minus of 2 whole square, and this is called minus 11 and this is called minus 3 of whole square. So what the AB become? AB become 1 of square plus minus 2 of square. So what the AB become? AB become 1 or plus 4. The AB become is root 5 units. Okay, now find the BC same as. So what the BC is? Minus 4 of square and that is minus 14 of square. So now what the BC becomes? BC become 16 plus 196. So what the BC become? BC become 12, 11 and 2. 212 units. Okay. So what the question is? Determine if the points are collinear or not. Now find the AC. Is AB equals BC? Is AB equals BC? You get the distance? No, they are not equal. Okay, not equal. So AB is equals to BC? No. Hence, these points are not collinear because for collinear, AB must be equal to BC. Hence, the answer is no. No, points are not collinear. Yes or no? Any doubt? Any doubt? Look at this question, please. Look at this question. In this question, what we have to find whether points are collinear or not. Simply, I have just applied a distance formula and find distance of these 2 points. Okay, so by this way, what the points are not equal, hence these are non-congruent. And by this we can also find the AC also. You can find the AC distance also. AC is what? Minus 2 minus 1 square plus minus 11 minus 5. So what the AC becomes? AC becomes minus 3 of a square plus minus 16 of a square. The AC what becomes? 9 plus 256. What the AC becomes? AC becomes, this is what we call, that is 5, 6 and 2. 265 units. Okay, there's one more condition. If AC is not equals to AB plus BC is not equals to, hence these are what? Sorry, AC must be equal to BC. But here AC is not equals to AB plus BC. Hence the points are non-collinear. Okay, thank you guys.